guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Gabby, aka Mocha. So today's video, guys, I'm going to be doing a protective style with my hair. I haven't done a protective style with my hair in a while, so I wanted to do knotless braids. And if you're an OG subscriber, then you have known I do have a knotless braids video on my channel, but it was an epic fail. So if you know me, you know I do not know how to braid, and I do not know how to grip, and I do not know how to really feed in the hair. It just all around epic fail. So recently my friend just been hearing me talk about doing braids or any type of braids in my hair. She knows that I can't braid, so she sent me a video on Instagram from this girl's Instagram page. Her name is Nola Viva, and she did knotless braids. And as herself as well, she does not know how to feed in a braid, so she did a method of just doing her own hair, braiding her own hair, single braids, and then crocheting in the braiding hair that way, because she said as well she cannot feed in. And I checked out her video on YouTube as well, and this is basically it inspired me to do the same thing. I'm like, if she can do this style, I can do it as well. And it looked very simple. Basically, like I said, braiding your own hair, single braids, and then crocheting in the braiding hair and then braiding it that way. And I thought it was so simple because, like I said, I do not know how to grip or none of that. So to avoid an epic fail, I thought that method was best. So that's what I'm going to be doing in this video today. And I hope it does turn out right, because sometimes when you have long nails like this, it's hard to grip the hair. So let's see how this goes, guys. And I also purchased this braiding hair from the beauty supply store. I've got like 3 packs of these, so I'm not sure if that's enough, but for now I'm just going to see how that goes, because I don't know. And then 2, what I'm going to do is kind of show you like probably a little bit of me sectioning off my hair, but then the rest of it I'm going to do off camera. So stay tuned, guys. Okay, guys, so as you can see, I have all of my single braids done with my own hair. And as you can see in this clip, I was trying to attempt to part and braid my hair, but as you can see, it's an epic fail like always. And yesterday definitely was an epic fail. I have did single braids in my hair before and it wasn't too bad, but yesterday, I don't know if I was trying to be precise, but it was just not working for your girl. So I have FaceTime my friend, and she was like, girl, just come over here so I can help you. So not gonna lie, my friend did this with her little crispy parts, and she knew I couldn't do it. So she's a lifesaver for doing that part. And make sure you check out her channel. Her channel is KK Bells, so slide over there. But yeah, so we about to get started with this hair, y'all, and I just pray I could get this together. So bear with me, okay? If you're anything like me, then you know the struggle, you know it. Y'all, so I basically had to go in the bathroom and see. So I don't know, like braids is just a struggle for me. That's all I just wanted to say. So when I get the hang of how this is going, I will get back with y'all. Because this is just not working out for me. So, and I'm trying my best just to show you like as much as what I'm doing, but braids is another task for me. So I have to be like, y'all have to be patient with me. Okay, guys, so this is my little trial run of my hair. I'm gonna leave this one like this, so everybody knows when you first start doing something, you don't really know how it's gonna go. You just keep this one little one in here, like dead like that. Okay, so since my friend did my part so crispy, and kudos to her, this came out pretty good. So I try to get it to the root as close as possible. So here we go. Okay guys, so this is my progress so far. And as promised, I said when I get closer to the front, I'll show you guys exactly what I'm doing. So I do like to kind of get the pieces of my hair first, and then I lay out the other ones on the mirror. Yeah, get up, whatever. But I lay out my other pieces that I'm going to feed in. So let's get started. So of course you take the crochet hook and slide it through like so. Then you take your hair and so for me, I like to make sure that these two are separated when I'm pulling. So then you find the hole. So the reason why I say I like for these to be separated, so when I pull, this one doesn't pull as well. So I tug on this one so this part can slide through and the other one does not. So like a chain reaction like that. So then you have this part right here. I kind of like loosen this up a little bit. And the reason why it's down a little further, just so that it can stay in place. My friend wanted to make sure that it didn't loosen up, and I appreciate her for that. So I'm just kind of going to unloosen that a little bit. And then put a little bit of gel. I mean, not gel, it's like a lock gel or whatever, edge control, whatever. So like that. In the words of Tabitha. Okay. So then you start your normal braid. Basically, and try to do it as close as possible to the root. So that's what I had to learn, because I noticed I had to redo some because it was not close to the root and it was looking very loose. So then you just continue to braid down. Once it starts thinning out a little bit, like as you can see, I will take this part right here and I feed it in this way and then just braid like usual. I mean, not like usual, but normal. And just braid in like that. I know it's weird. I can't feed in starting out, but I can feed in going down. I know, I'm weird. So. And if you need, just make sure it's all the same size, because some of mine, it's like thin. But I'm not redoing it. It's at the bottom when I first started. Y'all, my back and my foot, surprisingly my hands does not hurt, but my back and my foot freaking hurts because I end up going to the bathroom and I guess the flooring is hard. So yeah, I always do this style and then be like, why am I doing this? I always do like a long time consuming style and then be like, why did I do this again? And then while I'm doing it, I'll be like, I'm never doing this again. But then end up doing another long hairstyle like months from now because I forgot. Yeah. You know. Last one. Okay guys, so this is the final results of my hair and I absolutely love this protective style and I love this method. So if you're anything like me and you do not know how to braid, this crochet method for braids is very simple. I do not like the rubber band method. So when my friend sent me this inspiration from Nola Viva's Instagram, I was like, oh my God, I have to try this. So big shout out to my friend for sending me that video and also doing my parts for me. So she did these parts and without her, I just wouldn't have went anywhere. But overall, I love that style. It took me roughly 2 days because she had to part my hair for me on Friday. And then Saturday, I did the rest by crocheting in the braiding hair. And it took me a little bit longer because I had to figure out what size that I wanted to do. And I kind of like this size. I really do. And I also kind of did similar to what Nola Viva did. She curled the ends of her hair and I did the same thing with perm rods. No, not perm rods, sorry. Flexi rods. And I put it in hot water and then these are the results. So yeah, I thought that was super cute. Even though the style took me a long time, I would definitely do it again if I want to do braids because I am not about to spend $300 for somebody to do my own hair. I would just spend 2 days. Oh my gosh, but thank you guys for watching. I hope you like it. And if you're a beginner like me, or not even a beginner, but if you do not know how to braid, this is the method for you. But I do have but I do thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And I also have a new Instagram page. And if you are a supporter, make sure you go and follow my page. It is called MochaCurlss. So I will put the description, well, the link below. So yeah, but I do thank you guys for watching. Bye.